Hi there, it's Josh Colback here for Thirsty Affiliates WordPress plugin, the plugin that helps affiliate marketers earn more and stay more organized. Today I want to take you through a new feature in our plugin called the Enhanced JS Redirect. This JavaScript redirect option that we've just added to the plugin, it helps you do two things. So the first is that it will enhance the security of your affiliate links and protect the affiliate ID in your links from commission theft. The second thing that it also does is it improves the reliability of your click statistics gathering. So in the past, some trackers have issues with tracking right-click and opening new tabs, and you'll often see that the statistics that you have in your plugin, say with Thirsty Affiliates, compared to Google Analytics, they can be quite different. We do filter out all the bots and stuff like that in Thirsty Affiliates, so they can be different from that perspective. But we also want to make sure that we're giving you, the site owner, the ability to track as many of the legitimate clicks on your affiliate links as possible. And that's what this new redirect option is all about doing. It's enhancing that. So I want to take you over to my whiteboard now. I'm going to just go through sort of how the flow of this thing works, and that way you get an understanding of what it's doing behind the scenes, and also why you should be switching over to using this new enhanced JS redirect option. Okay, so just excuse the crudity of my drawing here, but I wanted to explain to you just how a redirect actually works on your site in relation to the server that's hosting your website. So currently with a 301 or a 302 redirect, when a customer comes in here when a visitor opens their browser to your website, and they're looking to click on an affiliate link. They click on an affiliate link here, and immediately what happens is it travels back to the server as a page request, and this essentially means that the visitor's browser is being told, hey, go to this new page on this same website. It then comes along to the server here, and this does a whole bunch of stuff in the background. Specifically for affiliate links, it comes along and says, okay, we see you want to request this cloaked affiliate link URL, and it'll say, okay, but the real destination you should go to for this one here is some other site here. So this is the other site, which is your merchant, the one that you're referring your visitor to. So with the visitor's browser, it has to go back to the visitor's browser from the server, and then this goes along here to the other site. And sometimes this intermediate page load here can actually take quite a bit of time as a round trip, this entire process here. Depending on the size of your server and how quick it's able to process information and that sort of thing. It also needs to factor in the different redirection types. So we have a page load request here, then it goes back and gives the browser some instructions, and that is where it determines whether it's a 301 redirect or a 302 redirect or even a 307. Or any other kind of redirect there, and that goes off to the other site. So that's the whole process as it is currently without the enhanced JS redirect that we've implemented. So I'll just rub this out so that we can sort of start again. Right, so we're back at the beginning here. Imagine that your visitor has come to your website and they've clicked on an affiliate link. With the enhanced JS redirect, what happens is immediately we use JavaScript to say, okay, I see you've clicked on this affiliate link here. What I'm going to do is quickly post back to the server and record that click. So when that click gets recorded straight away in that server, it can then quickly come back to the browser, and this browser hasn't even reloaded yet. It's still in the same session, the same exact page. It hasn't done a page reload request like it did with the old method. This comes back here directly with the URL that it should be redirecting to, and we actually use JavaScript here to do the redirection over to the merchant's website. So this process here, going back, posting the statistic, and then coming back here to the visitor's browser without even reloading that page is still much, much quicker than the old method where it would have had to go, give me a new page, the server then records the click statistic there, and then tells the page to reload on this new intermediate page, and then it reloads again over to this other site. With this method, it cuts out a whole page reload, goes back to the server once to record the statistic. The server comes back with the URL that it's supposed to redirect to, and that also is commission protecting there, because we don't know the actual redirection URL until it's requested, until that click statistic has been recorded, and it goes back here and actually does the redirection via JavaScript. So that is a much more reliable and enhanced way to do the redirects on the modern web compared to the older server-side redirection method, which was currently used. And you can still actually use that method in Thirsty Affiliates if you prefer, or if you find it more reliable for your particular website. But we really are encouraging people to move over to this new enhanced JS redirect because it's a lot more safe and it's a lot more reliable when you're talking about click statistics and stuff like that. Okay, so that wraps up this enhanced JS redirect explainer. I hope that made sense to you with the whiteboard explanation. It's the first time I've done this kind of video, so if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up on the channel down below there. And if you've got any questions at all, just leave them in the comments, or reach out to our Thirsty Affiliate support people directly, especially if you're a paid customer. We'd love to hear from you and talk to you about this. And if you want more videos like this one, we have a YouTube channel where we're constantly adding new tutorials, how-tos, and more for affiliate marketers. So if you want to subscribe to that, just click on the little logo on your screen right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified of each new update that comes through. And we hope you enjoyed this video.